discuss hydrogen band. Consider a single molecule of hydrogen fluoride. We know that hydrogen and fluorine atoms are chemically combined due to covalent band. Hydrogen and fluorine atoms mutually share one pair of electrons. This molecule of fluorine is highly electronegative than hydrogen. The electronegativity of fluorine is 4.0 and the electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1. When we calculate the negativity difference of the hydrogen fluoride, we get 1.9. Hydrofluoric acid or hydrogen fluoride is a non-ionic in nature, even though the electronegativity difference between fluorine and hydrogen is 1.9 because of exceptionally small size of fluorine atom. Fluorine has small size due to large attractive force between its electrons and protons. 1.9 is very large difference in electronegativity. As a result of this, fluorine atom being highly electronegative pulls the share of electrons towards itself. The electronic cloud tilts towards fluorine. Partially negative charges appear on fluorine and partially positive charges appear on hydrogen. Therefore, we can say that hydrogen fluoride is highly polarized. Now consider another hydrogen fluoride molecule. There are now two highly polarized molecules. Take note that the positive pole of this molecule attracts the negative pole of this molecule. This attraction between two highly polarized molecules create what we call a hydrogen band. This is the attractive force between these two molecules. And this attraction between two polarized molecules create what we call hydrogen band. Hydrogen band is not a chemical band, but rather it is an intermolecular force. Intermolecular force or attraction of forces from different sources or from outside, whereas covalent band is an intramolecular force or the force from within. Is there hydrogen band in hydrocarbon compounds like methane, ethane, and propane? The answer is no. No hydrogen band on hydrocarbon compounds. No, because the electronegativity is very low, where it forms mostly non-polar molecules. The electronegativity is only about 0.4. Non-polar molecules don't have hydrogen band. What compounds usually form hydrogen band? Hydrogen band exists on compounds usually made of fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. Hydrogen band exists on compounds usually made of fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen in combination with hydrogen. Like for example, in ammonia, the hydrogen band is found, or the attraction between these two molecules of ammonia is found on this area. It is represented by a broken line. That means the positive hydrogen attracts the negative nitrogen, and it creates a hydrogen band. Hydrogen band can be found also on water molecules. We have two water molecules here, and hydrogen band exists between hydrogen and this oxygen here. Hydrogen is positive, slightly positive, and oxygen is negative. Likewise, hydrogen band can be found also on hydrofluoric acid or hydrogen fluoride, and it is found on highly negative fluorine and slightly positive hydrogen. The combination to form hydrogen band is through this manner. If we have these elements here listed, with interaction of hydrogen, the result would be like this. If we have this element here, we will have fluorine here and also here, then hydrogen band is formed. Fluorine plus hydrogen plus fluorine equals hydrogen band. Oxygen plus hydrogen and another fluorine forms hydrogen band. Likewise, with nitrogen plus hydrogen and another fluorine here, it forms hydrogen band. It is true also if we will use oxygen here. We have oxygen, so fluorine, hydrogen, and oxygen creates hydrogen band. Oxygen, hydrogen, and oxygen creates hydrogen band. Nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen creates hydrogen band. It's if we use also nitrogen, the same thing will happen. That means it can create hydrogen band. What type of band is hydrogen band? Hydrogen band is not a chemical band. It is only an intermolecular forces between molecules. Question: dipole-dipole forces or hydrogen band, which is stronger? The answer Though they are both intermolecular forces, hydrogen band is 10 times stronger than the dipole-dipole forces. Which has the stronger band? Hydrogen band or covalent band? Hydrogen band is weaker 20 times than covalent band. It is because hydrogen band is not a chemical band. It is an intermolecular forces. Why water has high boiling point compared to dihydrogen sulfide? The answer is dihydrogen sulfide has no hydrogen band. You can see that there is no elements beside hydrogen from FON or fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. When there is hydrogen band existing on the molecule, it affects its boiling point. Let's go to the summary. A hydrogen band is an attraction between two atoms that already participate in other chemical bands, like covalent bands. One of the atoms is hydrogen, while the other may be an electronegative atom like fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. Hydrogen bands may form between atoms within a molecule or between two separate molecules. Please follow us on our next video. Thank you.